Guys, yeah, welcome back to our channel. As you know that we are always here for you. When it comes to interesting gist, we are always here for you. And right now it's all about Femi Adebayo. Oh, you know, you guys cannot believe that there are a lot of people that are very talented in this our Nigeria. So apart from being an actor, as you know, Femi Adebayo still has other talents in like the fact that he can dance. Yes, it's kind of surprising, and he can also sing also. And then we have Adebayo Salami singing with his kids to celebrate the his step wife, yes, his other wife, his second wife rather, this Alhaja Nasimot Adebayo, when she turned 60 on the 23rd of March. So you know they are now just celebrating. They are making a video over as they showed her. They celebrated and they made a party for her, and during this party, come and see the way they were singing and dancing. You know, Femi Adebayo showed his dancing skills, and this party that they did for Alhaja Nasimot to celebrate her 60th birthday. You know, and this actor has taken to his Instagram and to share lovely moments from the birthday party, which was held not too long ago. And you know, when she was doing on the 23rd of March, yes, Femi Adebayo celebrated this Alhaja Nasimot on his Instagram page, where he said, "Happy 60th birthday to you, mommy Alhaja Nasimot Adebayo. May Allah continue to hold you, keep you, and cause you to laugh for the rest of your beautiful years. Happy birthday, my SK." And I don't want you guys to remember, I don't want you to forget that this woman is actually Femi Adebayo's stepmother, but still we still celebrated her like his own mother. So you know, it was such a beautiful moment when siblings come together to celebrate their mothers. And during the party, Femi Adebayo showed off his dancing skills as he was dancing together with his siblings as they celebrate stepmother's birthday in a grand style. And on his post, he said it's always fun unlimited when they all come together like this, as you know that each one of them, they live separately, they are on their own, like they stay separately. So you know, having something to bring them together to remind them of their younger days, you know, it's kind of amazing. You know, it's always interesting and fun. And so is the case of this birthday celebration that they did. And you know, this video has sparked a lot of reactions online as fans and celebrities found it funny. Even I am finding it funny. Why I'm finding it funny? Yeah, why giving their opinions? You know, top celebrities like Kehinde Bankole said, "That's not how to do the hand job." And Femi Adebayo replied by saying, "I shall still try small." And we have Danny Hess who said, "The step Talo Sopekopo." And Lola Margaret said, "Family is everything." Kudeti said, "My best actor." Fan Classic Gold said, "My daddy with the step." Ramota said, "Lovely family." And we have Allah be with you said by Ramota to just congratulate him and the mother as this dance video goes viral on his page to celebrate this wonderful stepmother of his, to show people how much he cares and loves his stepmother rather. Yes, how much he loves his stepmother, to show people the love that exists between their family, despite the fact that they all live separately, despite the fact that she's not the mother. Yeah, they are still together. And here, in fact, there are some steps. We have Juliet Varieties. Yeah, apart from the celebrities who said something, we have Juliet Varieties who said Papa got steps. We have Classic Gold who said my daddy with the step. Brought Tokpe dance. They always funny. Yeah, that is step brother. That is rather the brother of Femi Adebayo's brother, who is named Tokpe Adebayo, who is also an actor. Yeah, you discover that most of them, majority of them are into the movie industry. If they are not a director, they are an actor. If they are not an actor, they are a producer, makeup artist, and you know this kind of thing. They are into the movie industry. And their family is just a blessed family, a happy family, as they are blessed a lot of things. And every time they always make sure that they celebrate all this. They always make sure that they show the love that exists between them. They always make sure to show how blessed they are to have something like this, to have a family like this. And while he was singing with his father, he said a statement. He said that the caption that was under it, he said, when your father and boss is the one leading, all you have to do is just be the elegbe. Yes, you just have to be the orin as your father. When your father and boss is singing, you have to give the person respect, give the person the respect that person desires. And that was what Femi Adebayo did when he and his father was singing. All he had to do was just become the elegbe of the song and allow the father to lead the song. As you can't just believe that they know how to sing. If they really know how to sing, that it's very surprising. And the way people reacted to that song was just so amazing. And thank you. And what he now went to thank his dad for being a good boss and also a father to him. And he also said again, happy birthday once again, Miss Nosimot Adebayo. And people were like, I heard that there's just love between their family. The love is just so beautiful. The family is beautiful. We have that plus 2013 who said they can't imagine the amount of drama in family meetings, And we have VCC who said this is so beautiful to watch. Yes, it is so beautiful to watch. And I know you guys have already watched this video, and I know that you guys can see what I'm talking about. You get what I'm talking about. So we all have our different opinions about this, and it shows that they are a happy family. Even it's very hard to get a scandal from them. Yeah, it is very, very hard to. It's rare to hear about the scandal from them. Maybe there was a fight between them or something. It's very rare. It's not that common to hear about the fight between them. But still, he is still celebrating his stepmother on her birthday. Yes, on her 60th birthday. So once again, happy birthday, Miss Nosimot Adebayo. And also, you guys should not forget to subscribe to our channel, as it is important. Don't forget, stay tuned and stay blessed to our channel. And if you're a subscriber, thank you very much. We really love you and we really, really appreciate. Thank you once again. Stay tuned and stay blessed.
Please subscribe to this channel. Please subscribe. Please subscribe. Share this video. Subscribe to this channel. Tell your friends to subscribe to this channel.